Our next video is part 22f1fa19c3k14, and of course this is a WOW video. It's line 22f1fa19c3k14, Rhodium, Nuclear Detectors, Fuel, Transitional Bendable Metals, UFO 5G WOW Seti. This is the second video about the Rhodium, and you want to go back to 3CK13 to see the first one, okay? So there's the alien radio signal. And this is September 27th. Research keywords from previous video, K13, Rhodium detectors. A PDF file comes up called Characteristics of Self-Powered Neutron Detectors Used in. It's from W.H. Todd Sr. And the abstract is self-powered neutron detectors have been used effectively as in-core flux monitors. Typical integration self-powered neutron detector, rhodium type. And there's a patent application here for April 2012, and that's what it looks like. Okay, this is a self-calibrating, highly accurate, long-lived dual rhodium vanadium emitter nuclear in-core detector. Diagram, schematic, and image of. Okay, so the patent application. There's the inventors there. Okay. The class name is Radiant Energy Calibration or Standardization Methods. Patent application number 201-2009-1327, and it's from fax.org. FAQS. So this is what rhodium looks like. That's 78-gram sample of it. Quote from Wiki: Rhodium shows some advantages over the other platinum metals in the reduction of nitrogen oxides to nitrogen and oxygen. So there's the formula there. Use nuclear fuels, synthesis of precious metals. Rhodium is a fission product of uranium-235. Therefore, each kilogram of fission products contains significant amounts of the lighter platinum group metals, including rhodium. Used nuclear fuel might be a possible source for rhodium. However, the extraction is complex and expensive, and also present radioactive isotopes of rhodium would require storage for several half-lives of the longest-lived decaying isotope, i.e. about 10 years, to reduce the radioactivity. This makes this source of rhodium unattractive, and no large-scale extraction has been attempted. Rhodium neutron detectors are used in combustion engineering nuclear reactors to measure neutron flux levels, a method that requires a digital filter to determine the current neutron flux level, as there are 3 signals generated: immediate, a few seconds later, and a minute later, each with its own signal level, and all 3 are combined in the rhodium detector signals. The 3 Palo Verde nuclear reactors each have 305 rhodium neutron detectors, 61 detectors on each of the 5 vertical levels, and providing an accurate 3D picture of the reactivity and allowing the fine-tuning to most economically burn the nuclear fuel. So this is rhodium foil and wire, and I want to take a look at, see how you can bend it. It's very, looks almost like aluminum foil, right? So September 27th, my thoughts. A transitional metal to mix with superalloys for the outer shell of the UFO to make it bendable. That's what I thought of when I first saw that. So September 20th, my thoughts. Many keywords are found in this data that have come up before in the WOW videos. We'll need to cross-reference those at a later date. The keywords from the rhodium data is uranium-235 plus rhodium plus fission plus nuclear plus platinum plus group metals plus used nuclear fuel equals extracted rhodium plus radioactive isotopes plus storage, my question is hydrogen, plus longest lived decaying isotope, rhodium neutron detectors plus combustion plus engineering plus nuclear reactors plus measure plus neutron flux levels plus digital filter plus neutron flux level plus 3 signals generated. Remember the 3 camera shots to find the dark matter and new boson particles from a Higgs signal formula? It may be in the Higgs video series. There was a theory I had of how to look for the other particles, so that'll come up in the cross-referencing. It was a thought that came by. 3 signals plus immediate plus few seconds later. Use this to detect neutrinos, smaller particles, dark matter particles, and Higgs boson. New standard model particles with mass that we are working on the formulas for in the WOW Line 22 videos and in the Higgs boson mass particle research videos blog September 2012. I have 2 series going. I have the WOW series, which is the alien radio signal, and then the Higgs thing is just something I'm doing on my own. And I started it because I did a cross-reference and found that in February of 2012, the formula for the Higgs signal was in the WOW video. It had the keywords, the same keywords as what was used to make the signal. So that's when I started cross-referencing the two to see what's in there, to see, you know, maybe it shows us more, right? So 3 signals plus speed of light plus Higgs particle mass boson plus check signal levels at Atlas plus CERN plus ELF plus NOVA plus MU2E plus LBNE plus Fermilab plus DOE plus oscillate neutrinos WOW formulas plus 3 Palo Verde nuclear reactors plus the 3D picture plus reactivity plus fine-tuning plus burn plus nuclear fuel plus rhodium foil wire transitional metal plus bendable plus UFO plus outer shell plus WOW plus super alloys plus WOW and Higgs mass particle boson plus Higgs field plus data formulas plus mixture correct ingredients to create a brand new super alloy not yet discovered equals alien technology dark matter universe answers. So my thoughts, can you mix this with a Higgs mass particle to make the decay last longer so it sticks around with an isotope? I still don't understand isotopes, even though I've been blogged them several times now. So I'm going to Google Higgs isotope to see what comes up in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching, and we'll go on to the next one.